In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Surfshark VPN on Linux Mint, a quick and straightforward process that we will walk through together. If you're a Linux user, having a reliable VPN service like Surfshark not only enhances your online privacy, but also helps in bypassing geo-restrictions. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the official Surfshark website. By visiting their homepage, you will be able to access all the necessary resources and support for installing the VPN. Navigate around the site, and you will see the My Account section. This is where you'll want to click Next. It'll redirect you to a login page, and from here, as the next step, you'll need to click on Log In. Enter your Surfshark account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to consider signing up to enjoy full access to their services. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself at the Surfshark Home dashboard. It's a one-stop shop for managing your account and accessing all of Surfshark's features and services. Now, to continue with the setup process for your Linux Mint, look for the Download Apps option. That's our next stop. Clicking here will open up a range of options for different devices and platforms. Since we're focusing on desktops and laptops, go ahead and choose that category. This is where you'll be asked to select your operating system. For our Linux Mint setup, we're going to click on Linux. This section provides you with the download link and specific instructions tailored for Linux systems. It's important to follow these instructions closely to ensure a smooth installation. Once the download is complete, you'll need to open your terminal. If you're familiar with Linux, you know that the terminal is a powerful tool for software installation and management. You will find commands listed on the Surfshark website, specifically for installing the VPN on Linux. Simply copy these commands and paste them into your terminal, executing one after another as directed. This process might require you to authenticate or provide permission, especially if you're using commands that require administrative access. So be prepared to type in your password when prompted. After the installation process, don't forget to run the Surfshark VPN client. You can do this easily by typing the relevant command provided in the terminal. And there you have it. Your Surfshark VPN should now be up and running on your Linux Mint. Take your time to navigate through its features, set your preferences, and ensure your connection is secure. Installing Surfshark on Linux Mint doesn't have to be daunting. With these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining your online privacy and accessing content without restrictions. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider staying tuned for more guides and how-tos on other tech topics.